Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have given SIMCAT number 16 as per our schedule, and I display my score on the screen. You can see it. So VRC 18, DLR 11 and Quants 35, overall 64 I have scored. So let's start with each and every section. Firstly, with the VARC part, I was able to solve only two RCs in the test. Uh, First one was the second RC, which is about planets. TBTC planets were there and JSW telescope, something like that. So that RC I have attempted. I guess three questions I have attempted. I don't remember exactly. And the second RC I have attempted is the RC number 3, which is on India, China, Vietnam. So that RC I have attempted because I kind of have some idea about the history of these three countries. So these are the two RCs I have attempted. I tried to attempt one more RC, but I didn't understand completely. So I thought, why to get negatives? So I didn't attempt any other two RCs. But in the VA part, I have attempted all the 8 questions. So approx 7 questions from the RC, 8 questions from the VA, 15 questions I have attempted. Still I got only 18. That means somewhere I have messed up with my accuracy. If you ask me the reason behind it, what I think is like from last week or last few days, I'm majorly focusing on DLR. If you are a regular follower of my videos, you know that as of now my DLR score is not good. So I'm just doing the bare minimum with respect to VRC every day, like only few RCs, few VA questions. This is how I'm treating it. So I'm not so disappointed with the score because I know I did not practice it on a different level which I do every day. So that's the reason I got only 18 marks. I can easily level it up. It's not a problem. Now talking about the DLR part, I'm actually happy this time. Reason being, after the section started, firstly I have attempted the last set, which is on the truth and lie concept. So I was able to get all the 4 questions from it. So I have marked all the 4 questions. Then I was like I have already gone through the question paper and I analyzed that there are 2 DI sets in the test. So both are on bar chart, you can say. So I started with the first DI set, which is on patents and publishers like RFCT, DS, ESB. Like that's the set I have started with. I mean, there are 2 graphs in it. One is a bar chart and the other one is a pie chart. I started with it, but I thought it is taking a bit lengthy. I mean, more time, so I thought I'll skip it. I'll try to do it if at all I'll get any other set after that, something like that. But the third set which I tried to solve is this one, like games and tournaments. I kind of think I'm okay with that particular concept, so that's the reason I thought of doing it. But I took lot of time, lot of time, but I was not able to mark the options because if I have to show you roughly, like I was about to complete all the arrangement, most of them it is done. So only few things are left. So I was able to mark only one question from it. Maybe that's the mistake I got negative. That's the reason overall 11 marks I got. But he at least this time in the SIMCAT for DLR section, the sets which I know are 3 to 4. Most of the sets at least I know. I just need time, and especially in the exam scenario, I was able to complete 2 sets totally. I mean fully. So this is a kind of progress for me, is what at least I think so. I just hope it gets better from here on. Whatever the practice or whatever the hard work I'm putting in DLR, I just hope it goes on. Now talking about the quants part, I have attempted total of 15 questions this time. So I want to discuss about quants as well in detail for this particular mock. Yesterday we had this marathon session. They discussed geometry in that, and in my yesterday's video I told like it is helpful for me and I was able to solve PYQs as well, and the same reflected in today's test. I think there are 2 to 3 questions from geometry and I was able to attempt all the questions, and I'm damn sure like those are correct. One is of internal secant theorem, and the other one is of internal angle and external angle of a regular polygon. So these kind of things. You don't believe me, yesterday night वो ना दिमाग पे और कान में से वही चीज़ें घूम रहा है. Like Hany sir was shouting in my ears ki cheek ke bol raha hai, cheek ke bol rahi hai, wala formula lagao, something like that. So maybe that's the influence I had on this particular test as well. Issue what happened is today I have given the test in the afternoon. Now whatever I'm going to talk about from now onwards is kind of little related to preparation things, not the test. So if you want to drop, you can drop from here. So with respect to quants, see, like, this is the 10th mock test for me. I mean, if I include both EG regular mocks, EG way to IM mocks and SIMCATs, all the three, till now I have given total of 10 mocks. So in this 10 mocks, what I have observed is, with respect to quants, if I have to talk, you people might think that you are getting good marks in quants and all, but see, from my perspective, like, I'm a gem, so it is necessary for me to score more, and especially my score in quants is not, going more than 40. Only once or twice it went more than 40, and I'm always lying in the range of 30 to 40, 30 to 40. I want to push it. So what I did after these 10 mocks, or say 9 mocks in the morning before giving this particular SIMCAT, I tried to revise all the mocks of quants which I have given, all these 9 mocks, each and every question, especially because yesterday we have completed our geometry. It was also easy for me to understand, acha theek hai, like, this question I could have done, or this question I could have solved in a different way. So there is a kind of good understanding as well. I thought of pushing my score in this particular mock for more than 40 or something. What happened is, in this SIMCAT, the questions which came from TSD topic and questions which came from SICI, I felt them little lengthy. I'm able to solve them, but I need more time. If I talk about that bounce question, if you have given the test, you will know it. There is a ball which goes down, again it comes to a certain height, then again it goes down, it will come to an even lesser height. So those kind of questions, I have done tons of them when I was preparing for JEE and all. And even I hope so when Anisa will discuss it in the class, he will tell them like, these are IIT questions or something like that. Let's see. But what I'm trying to say is, I want to improve a bit in quants, at least cross that 40 mark consistently. As of now, I'm not scoring 40 consistently. So this is my target with respect to quants. I have to revise TSD, I have to revise SICI, I have to revise what we call this geometry. I'll revise one more time, obviously, because yesterday sir has done it. I want to revise it from my side as well. So yeah, like, overall, I'm not so disappointed with the mock, and not even so happy as well. VRC, I should have scored at least 10 marks more is what I think so, for the kind of attempt I have given. So one more concern I had is, I have given 4 mocks in SIMCATs as of now. SIMCAT 5, 6, 15, 16. So SIMCAT 5 was the first SIMCAT. In that I have scored only 43. But after that, in rest of the 3 SIMCATs, I scored 63, 64, 65. So my range is always lying between 63, 64, 65. I have to push that also to 80 plus or something. I'll just see. See, the target is 35, which is what Hanisa has said. Overall 35 by the time of the actual CAT exam. And by today, it's already 10 mocks. So I have only 25 mocks to improve. Yeah, 25 mocks to improve. So from each and every mock, there is a lot of learning. From each and every mock, there is a lot of change in the plans, change in the approach, all such things. I'm happy with the DLR. I'm kind of happy with the geometry as well. There is an improvement compared to previous mocks. So yeah, like, I'll keep doing the same. One thing, people are asking me, how do I analyze my quants, or how do I approach quants and all. See, I'm not a pro in quants even till now. Even now I believe the same, because there are people who score more than me, 45, 50 and all such things. But still, if you feel like I should explain, or at least I have to share how do I analyze my quants, let me know in the comment section, or at least you can hit the like button, so that I'll get an understanding. So if possible, in tomorrow's video, I'll try to cover that part, ki how do I analyze my quants, especially quants. So I'll just try to explain ki this is what, how do I learn from my mistakes and all such things. So that's it for today. I don't want to waste your time as well, it's already so lengthy. See you guys tomorrow again. If you want, you can connect with me on Instagram. Link will be in the description below. Thank you. Bye bye.